So guys, today we have unboxing of this gaming headset. Today we're gonna make this unboxing of this gaming headset. It's called Level Up Pro Gaming Headset with foldable microphone, universal connection work with Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch and PC. I spend more time in game with the ultra comfortable, just a lightweight design, minimize the ear fat, communicate game attached microphone. So is from Vita. Okay, Level Up. Let's do the unboxing. Let's see. Remove this and see what else. No, this one no. Okay. So let's proceed to. Oh, we have another one here. On this side. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so next. Bam, 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 bam. The first see is the materials. It look pretty nice. Feel like leather. So let's put up the headset. Let's see if it brings me something else. Nothing more. Empty box. Empty box. And let's see, it's go with this cable for use in the PC. It's an adapter for PC. And here we go, the headset. This headset is not really expensive headset. This is the microphone. Okay, let's try the headset now. Okay, let's try the headset now. Oh, I don't really need adjustment, but if you want to adjust, it's on you. I feel this a little short. I don't know how it's gonna work. So I can try with the record with the phone. Sorry, and I had camera. I use my cell phone to record this. So let's see. Now I'm recording with the headset. I hope listen well. So this how work the headset. See? Oh, sorry, I didn't organize. But the video is gonna. I'm gonna leave the video like that. So it look really nice. It feel comfortable. Very nice for the price. It's only about maybe let's see, $16 for $16. It's not bad. $16. It's really comfortable headset. Really nice. It's called Level Up LVL. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the video. Really short. And see you next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, activate the bell, and let me know what you think about it in the comment. Sorry about the camera. I use my cell phone. I need to buy maybe something for fixing, but I hope you like the video. See you next time.